Hey, it's Lifewithabox. In today's video, I'm checking out the Juniper-Inspired Model Y side mirrors from Hannshow, available in both glossy and matte carbon fiber finishes. These new mirrors feature a unique line down the middle, maybe for improved aerodynamics. I'll show you everything that comes in the box, walk you through the installation, which can be trickier than expected if you've never installed side mirror covers before, and share my final thoughts. If you're interested in picking up a set, use my code Lifewithabox for 20% off. Link in the description below. If you're new here, I review Tesla and car-related products with a real-life perspective. If you enjoy the content, please like and subscribe as it really helps out my channel. Now, let's get to the unboxing. These are Hanshow's Tesla Model Y side mirror covers, made from real molded carbon fiber and inspired by the Juniper Model Y. They're compatible with all 2020 plus Model Y vehicles. Inside the box, you get both the left and right mirror covers, along with 2 adhesion promoters. These covers feature a sleek wave pattern and come in glossy or matte finishes. The one I have here is glossy. They're super lightweight and built to withstand rain, heat, and snow. Beyond just enhancing the look of your Tesla, they provide an extra layer of protection against road debris, dings, and scratches. And if your mirrors already have some wear, these are a great way to cover them up. One standout design element is the center line inspired by the Juniper Model Y. On the inside, you'll find pre-installed double-sided tape, making installation straightforward. Speaking of installation, let's get into it. I know what you're thinking. Installation seems simple, so why bother watching? But trust me, learn from my mistake. There's actually a better way to do this, and if you follow these steps, you'll avoid the frustration I ran into. First, clean your mirrors thoroughly to remove any dirt, dust, or debris that could interfere with the adhesion. This step is important because any contaminants left on the surface can weaken the bond and cause the cover to lift over time. Once your mirrors are clean, do a test fit with the right side mirror cover before removing any tape backing. The cover slides right on and fits perfectly, with no gaps or white edges showing, which is a great sign that the design is well made. Next, take one of the adhesion promoters from the box and wipe it around the edges of the mirror where the double-sided tape will make contact. This helps ensure a strong and lasting bond, especially in different weather conditions. Now, here's where I made a critical mistake. I removed all of the tape backing at once, thinking it would make installation smoother. Instead, when I attempted to slide the cover into place, it got stuck too early, making it impossible to adjust further. Since the adhesive had already begun to grip, I couldn't slide it down any further, which resulted in a small but noticeable gap at the bottom front of the mirror where a bit of white was showing. This not only affected the look, but also meant the cover wasn't fully secure. Removing it became a challenge, and I had to carefully use plastic pry tools and a heat gun to lift it off without damaging the carbon fiber.
24 hours later.
The process was tedious, and unfortunately, I lost some of the double-sided tape in the process. While I managed to salvage enough for it to stay secure, it was definitely not an ideal situation. Now, onto the left side mirror, where I fixed my mistake. This time I took a much more strategic approach to ensure a flawless installation. Instead of peeling off all the tape backing at once, I only removed the top tape backing in 2 small sections from the bottom, leaving most of it intact. This allowed me to slightly bend the cover outward so I could carefully slide it from top to bottom, making sure it aligned perfectly before fully pressing it into place. After applying the adhesion promoter only to the areas where the tape would make contact, I bent the cover slightly, positioned it properly, and secured the right side first. Once that was in place, I slid the left side down, making sure it was aligned before pressing it in. Finally, I rubbed along all the taped areas with firm pressure to ensure a strong bond and prevent any lifting over time. This method worked way better. The cover sat flush with no gaps or exposed edges, and the installation process was much smoother. Once secured, I gave it a final wipe down to remove fingerprints and dust, and that was it. Installation complete. If you're looking to enhance the appearance of your Tesla while adding an extra layer of protection, these mirror covers are a fantastic choice. They're easy to install with a bit of preparation, and the finished look is both functional and visually appealing. Plus, if you already have minor scratches, these covers will hide them beautifully. If you're interested in grabbing a set for yourself, use my code LIFEWITHABOX to get 20% off. The link is in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.